Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable text-to-speech on ZTE Android TV Box. To do it, click on the Settings button on your remote. Then go to Device Preferences and now you'll find Accessibility. Then go to Text-to-Speech and you can change the speech services, speech rate. You can listen to an example. I don't really know if I can. Yeah, I can hear it, and that's how you set it. And these text-to-speech adjustment will be applicable to, for example, your Google Assistant or for TalkBack if you have TalkBack enabled. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.